What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of the Resell My Way to AK series. I've been trying to pay off my $8,000 worth of student loans by reselling items onto eBay. In today's video, I have 3 eBay sales that I want to share with you guys for this series. Before we go out thrifting, first up, we sold these Adidas shoes for $58 plus shipping on top. I paid $20 for these at the PacSun outlet. If you guys didn't already know, sometimes the PacSun outlet has buy one, get 2 free or buy one, get 3 free. It's definitely a great place to go ahead and find items for either personal use or to resell onto eBay. Next item is in this bin right here. It's this Levi's jean jacket. I can't barely fit my hand in here and hold the camera at the same time, but it's this Levi's jean jacket. Picked this up at a garage sale for only $3. I actually picked up 2 of these. This is the second one that sold, and this sold for $35 plus shipping on top. Now let's move on to the best sale. This item is crazy because I literally have like nothing invested into it. If you guys want to remember the video where I went to the Goodwill bins and I picked up these Nike soccer cleats, they literally weigh nothing. I probably have around like $2 into these, and these sold for $110 plus shipping on top. How insane of a sale is that? This is the exact reason why I love eBay. One thing that I do want to mention is when you guys are buying cleats, make sure you guys have the correct model. There are usually 3 to 4 different versions of a cleat, all at different prices. So these are one of the most expensive versions. And if you guys want to go ahead and find the exact shoe model, you could just search the 9-digit shoe code that's deep inside of the shoe right there, CQ7635-004. And that's how you can go ahead and search up any Nike shoe to resell online for a profit. And just like that, all the labels are now on, and we have 3 packages that are now good to go. So that's it for the eBay sales for now, and then let's go ahead and jump into some thrifting. All right, you guys, so we're now at Salvation Army. This isn't something you see every day. Marvel's Avengers action figures, $3.99. They have around like maybe 40 here at $4 a piece, but I looked them up on eBay and they're only going for like $10 plus shipping, so I wouldn't be able to make any real profit, but so cool to see. A lot of people can buy these as gifts. I just found this LL Bean dress shirt. It's $5, size 2XL tall, wrinkle resistant. I looked it up on eBay and there's a comp for like $18, $17.95 plus shipping. So if this was like half off $2.50, I'd pick it up, but at $5, I'm gonna have to pass on it. If you look up here, white tags are 99 cents, and then the yellow and red tags are 50% off today. Feel the Union hoodie on the Jildan tag though, so I'm gonna pass. This is Washington. This looks like a school of some sort. It'd only be $1. Champion? I mean, Champion for $1. I don't know if this is a specific school, but size small. I mean, you can't go wrong with Champion for $1. And Washington is pretty generic, so it could be a school or anybody looking for in general. I don't think you can go wrong with that for $1. And then I just found this. It's a Rhode Island Rams. I'm assuming it's another university hoodie. Size small, same size as the hoodie that I found earlier. There's no price tag on it though, so I don't know if they'll sell it to me. I mean, even if they give it to me for like $2-3, I still think it would be worth it, so I guess we'll pick it up. I just found this jersey. I'm not sure about the authenticity of it or if it's even the actual team, but I've heard of Cruzeiro, and that's a team in Brazil. They're charging $6 here. This is pretty sweet. And then behind it, we actually have a Giants jersey. Number 13 says Azer. I'm not sure if this is an actual player or not, or if this is someone's last name, because it doesn't sound familiar, but definitely have to look that up too. And then I found these, right? I'm like, oh, brand new tag, $65 MSRP. I'm like, this could be good for eBay, even for maybe $20. But guess what? They're charging $28 here. I mean, it would be half off today, so it'd be $14, but never heard of this brand before anyway. Walter Hagen. I'm sure no one's going to buy this at this price, so once this gets green tagged for 99 cents, someone will definitely pick it up. Found this shirt. Be $1. It's in pretty decent condition. It says it's an extra large though, but I think it definitely shrunk. But I think this is like a vintage t-shirt from Mexico. It says Carlos and Charlie's and has a cool little animal on it with sombrero. That's pretty cool. That's fun. These are going for around like $15 to $20 on eBay. I looked this guy up from the Giants, and I don't think he's an actual Giants player. I think it's just someone's custom-made name, and no one's going to really buy that on eBay. At least I don't think so. A Polo Ralph Lauren, I was thinking about keeping this for myself, but it actually has a paint stain. Would have been $1, but passing on that. And I looked at all of these DVDs and CDs. Most of them are brand new sealed. They're just random titles, but none of them are worth reselling on eBay. I was on my way to put the DVDs back, and I just found Beats Mind Ready. I don't know. There's like people here, so I'm not trying to be loud, but $2. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, the Michael Kors glasses are authentic. We spent a total of $9 at Salvation Army, and one of the things that I actually forgot to show you, I either forgot to record the footage or the footage deleted, I can't remember, but I did pick up these Michael Kors sunglasses. They are authentic. They do have a little bit of wear to them, but I am going to list these on Mercari for around like $40 to $50. I actually only paid $2 for these, so these were definitely a great find at the thrift store. We're going to go hit up a local liquidation store in my town, and then we're going to actually go ahead and go to a Marshall's as well, since they're right near each other. We are at Steals and Deals now, and I found a bunch of these Pokemon action figures for $9 a piece. This is just a little sneak peek though. Wait until you guys see how much these are worth. Now we're at Marshall's, and I found a bunch of these Cloud Giroux jerseys for 15 bucks a piece. However, I only picked up 2 of them just to test out the market. Alright guys, so we just got back to storage and everything is now listed. In total, we spent $55 at the liquidation store, and then we spent another $30 at Marshall's. So we picked up 5 of these Mega Charizard Pokemon toys. So 3 of these are the Mega Charizard X and the other 2 are Mega Charizard Ys. I paid $9 a piece for these. They only limited me to 5. If not, I would have picked up more. And these should go for around $45 a piece at minimum. I would say anywhere between $45 and $70. Just depends on who you're selling it to, which one, and if it's on eBay or Mercari. But between 45 and 70, either way, still really good profit margins to be made. And then we picked up 3 of these Timmy Revenge games for $2.50 a piece. I should not have bought this one. I didn't realize this at the time, but it's actually not brand new sealed, so probably gonna return that or just not like list it online. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet, but do have these 2 brand new sealed ones. These should go for around $15 and $20 plus shipping. And then we also picked up 2 of these Cloud Giroux jerseys from Marshall's for $15 a piece, and they should go for around at least $60 a piece. Definitely pretty good profit margins to be made. So I would say we did pretty well today. I almost forgot to grab this, but we did sell this PlayStation controller for $21 plus shipping on top. I think I picked this up in a bulk PlayStation 2 deal a few months ago, so I probably only have a couple dollars into this. Anyways, that's gonna be the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it.